Okay, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use the brand new functionality of remote desktop. So we're in a device record and you have to be on version 96. Go ahead and look at the remote desktop, click on remote desktop. We're connecting to the device down below. We'll see the device is in use. This is just making sure that you as a super admin, you're acknowledging that, hey, you're going to interrupt this user, it's in session, right? So clicking connect anyway. On the bottom, connecting, boom, connected. Now we're not totally connected yet. We have to click open. This will open up in a new tab here. And at this point, what's happening is on the student end, which I'm going to meet right now. I'm actually going to present in and show you what it looks like from the student view. The student view, if we'll switch real quick, I'm going to present in. Okay, so what we're seeing, pretend that you're a student, you're the student role. On the bottom right is where we get the prompt. So remote assistance, and it's just saying, hey, click cancel, click share. Of course, student needs to click share. Now at this point, I am going to switch back to my super admin view. So boop, switching on over. And just to kind of prove that, look up here on the tabs, right? I'm back at the beginning. This is just my normal admin view. But now that we went through the process, the student said share. Now this remote desktop tab turned from that connecting message to me being able to control and act as the student. So what we're watching right here is, yes, it's the student's Chromebook, but I'm, as the admin, I am now able to take control here. So all pretty easy. And just think version 96 and go into the device record, click on remote desktop, and boom, there we go.